We are pleased to show you the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.